Hi everyone and welcome back to our Gmail training. In this lesson, we're going to talk about templates, which is also known as canned responses. So do you work on a team that often needs to communicate maybe a specific phrase or policy to others? Or do you work in a role where you find yourself responding to frequently asked questions on repeat? Or do you find yourself sharing the same resources or the same set of information or steps to colleagues or other departments on a frequent basis? Don't waste your time writing the same email you've already written. You can use canned responses, which Gmail refers to as templates. First thing we're going to do is, I bet you guessed it, is we're going to click the settings gear in the top right corner and then click on See All Settings. From the menu along the top, we're going to select Advanced. And then we want to make sure that the templates are enabled. Side note, there are a couple other things in here that you may want to enable. So for example, if you are a person who enjoys using keyboard shortcuts, you might want to enable the ability to customize those. You also have the option to enable Auto Advance from one email to the next. And then what I like to use is the unread message icon. Okay, great. So click Save Changes and let's get out of here. First, we're going to click Compose in the top left corner to start a new email. Click the three-dot menu and you will see Templates as an option. When you hover over the Templates menu, you will see a list of templates, if you have any. You will also see the button that says Save Draft as Template. And you also have the Delete Template button. First thing we need to do is type out the email response. Now, typically that does mean that there is no greeting or no signature. Type out the sentence, the paragraph, the steps, whatever it may be that you need for this template. So, for example, I'm giving someone the link to the website where they can find the resources that they are asking for. Now that I have that typed out, I can go back in and this time I can select Save Draft as Template. And then I'm going to select Save as a New Template and give it a name. You can repeat that process to create as many templates as you need. Let's look at how to use the templates that we've created. I'm going to respond to this email, click the three-dot menu, click Templates, and then select the name of the template that is needed. Notice that it did insert that text where my cursor was, which is a very important thing to remember. I can add my greeting, the signature that I need, and any other kind of information that I want in here, and then I can send my email. Great, so now what if, as time goes on, the department that I work for has changed the wording for a policy, or maybe the link to the resource has changed? How do I update my templates? Let's start with a brand new blank email again, clear anything out if needed, and then insert the template that needs updating. I'm going to make any type of updates or changes, and then when I'm done, click the three-dot menu, click Templates, select Save Draft as Template, and this time you're going to select the name of that template to overwrite it. It's that simple. Great. So that is the use of templates or canned responses in Gmail. Hopefully you will find that as a great way to organize your email responses and ultimately increase your productivity.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full course that this video came from, click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.